The money management finds himself fast asleep until the alarm hits.
You gotta get up. You have to get up. You're gonna want to see this. You have to get up now.
Wait, it's early in the morning. It's early in the morning.
You got to get up now.
Wait, it's early already.
You're gonna want to see this. You have to get up.
Oh, is it worth it? It's been a
Cool, you're
long
gonna have
day.
to see this.
It's been a long night. It's a short night. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Quick.
Give me a couple minutes.
You're gonna want to see this. You should come now.
Alright. Wait a second. What day is it?
Saturday.
Oh man, already. It's the weekend. Man, I think I'm gonna sleep again.
You're gonna want to see this. You
Man.
need to see this.
Alright.
It was at this moment he knew. Never mind, he fell back asleep. I'm not surprised. That's what people do when they don't want to win on the weekends. That's why people are not successful. That's why people cannot build their own empires. It's almost 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning and you're still asleep? No wonder you haven't hit 1K subs.
Oh!
You're late.
Oh man. What's going on? What's happening? It's been another long night. When will it end? Stuck on 3-figure subscribers for the longest time. It's been like 2 years now. Oh wait,
What do you mean, oh wait? Go and check your channel out.
could it be?
Yes, it really could be. Go check quick.
Hold on,
Stop hesitating. It might have changed. Go.
could it have changed? Wait, did I miss it? Hold on a second.
Now it could finally be that moment. The amazing moment. The one we've all been waiting for.
And there it is. The mighty 1,000. But yeah, we did miss it. That's why you don't sleep in on a weekend. Because you'll miss the train. But yep, we hit it.
1,000 subscribers. Yes, right there. The money management. 1K subscribers. It is real. And boy, does it look nice. 1,000.
I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys for all the subscribers. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I just thought I'd do it a little bit in style. As you can see, you know, showing you guys the finesse. But yeah, it feels good. It feels good. Just thought I'd get out and about for a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys. What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. Back here to say thank you guys. All I can say is thanks a lot because you guys drove us to this point. You guys pushed us forward. You guys kept liking, subscribing, commenting, doing all the good stuff, pushing us hard, you know, making it worth it, making a video each and every day, uploading a video each and every day, editing a video each and every day, recording a video each and every day, all the good stuff. It all came from you guys. So again, a huge thank you to all of you out there. It's been a long 2.5 years or whatever you want to call it. You know, I started the journey February 1st, 2018, and obviously I didn't start very well, but eventually, you know, got into full stride over the last year and a little bit. So I'd definitely say, you know, last year and 6 months, so in a year and a half, definitely put in a lot of work, uploading daily, you know, as you guys have seen. More recently, the videos started off as, you know, small videos with, you know, little 2-minute clips each and every day, and then moved on to something different, you know, 5 or 6 minutes, until full capacity videos of 10, 11 minutes of actual information which you guys valued. Now, of course, you know, along that journey, hopefully you guys have realized that it's not always as easy as you think, you know, you've got to put in a lot of time and effort and all that kind of stuff, but eventually it does become worth it. So if you guys are on the same journey, on the same path, keep going, keep doing your thing, you know, keep trying, keep staying motivated, keep putting out great content, keep uploading videos, keep providing people with information, all the good stuff, because the good stuff will come back to you. It's as simple as that. You know, the views will come, the people will come, the audience will come, the subscribers will come, all of that stuff will come. But it just takes a lot of, you know, the hard work, the getting through the first stages, the first rounds. And for some of you, that might be a few days. For some of you, that might be a few months. It depends who you are, what you put out, and of course, who you're attracting. But you have to keep putting in the work. You've got to keep working hard, you know, trying different things out. And of course, eventually, it does come to you. So of course, you guys knew this video was coming. And you know, you might want to use it as your Monday motivation for this week. You might want to use it as whatever you might use it going forward. But of course, it is important that you keep going. You might start off slow. You might start off, you know, with choppy videos. You might start off with a couple minute videos which aren't very clear, which aren't very good, which you're, you know, slurring over your words, you're tripping over your words. You might go into videos but you're not really doing very well. You're not getting a lot of views. It doesn't matter. You keep going. The reason I'm saying that is because, as you guys can see, the growth does eventually come. You keep putting out the content, you keep interacting with people, keep producing, constantly producing each and every day, or whatever it may be, but you stay consistent with it. That's the most important. Whether that's once a week, twice a week, whatever that's every single day, you stay consistent with it. You keep providing for the people, you keep helping them out, keep providing information, and as long as you do that, you will grow. That's the good thing. That's how we got to this point. Without you guys, it wouldn't have happened. Without me, it also wouldn't have happened. But what I'm saying is, again, you know, you can use it for your money motivation. You can use it for whatever you want to use it. But focus on providing the value. Focus on continuing your journey. Don't stop after you don't see results after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You know, it might be 7, 8 months. It might be a year or 2 years before you see any kind of decent results. Remember, just a month ago, in July, it was still 5 to 10 views each and every video. 5 to 10 views, you know, 1 or 2 comments each and every video. Compare that and contrast that to now. Go and look back at the ones from August. Go and look back at how consistent it's been over this August. Look at the, you know, 70, 80 comments on each and every video. Look at the 50, 60, 70, 80 views on each and every video. Look at that, the 20 likes, the 30 likes. Look at the 49 likes from last Monday. Look at all that kind of stuff. Don't focus on what's holding you back, what you feel is like keeping you down. Don't focus on that. If you are really doing what you believe you're doing and you believe in yourself, you will get far. Without that belief, you won't get very far. But if you're doing it, you're putting it in, you have to believe in yourself. You have to keep going. You have to use that to your advantage. If you don't, then who will? You know, there's no point going forward and trying to do things if you don't even believe in what you're doing. Like I mentioned on Saturday, you have to believe in yourself. That's what successful people do. That's what you guys need to do. You might not feel like you're successful, you might not feel like you've done a lot, but believe in yourself first. You know, there are going to be times where you don't feel like producing a video, creating content, editing a video, clipping a video, whatever it may be. Still do it. Get through it anyway. That's about all I can say for you guys. You know, I celebrated yesterday and I'll celebrate again tomorrow. That's a part of it. Definitely deserved, in my opinion. You might say no, you might say that's not money management at its best, but I'll say definitely deserved. That's what I'll say. You know, 6 weeks ago, I could never saw this coming. 8 weeks ago, could never saw this coming. A year ago, not even thought of it. Not even a single bit. But now we're here at this point, and now it means it's onwards and upwards. So I'm sure, like I said, you guys knew this video was coming, but here it is. Thank you guys so much. We've done it, but we still got a lot more to do. We're not done yet. But either way, where we are right now, hopefully that gives you guys hope, especially the smaller channel. Even if you're not a small channel, even if you're a bigger channel, hopefully that gives you hope. You guys have seen it come from me. You guys have seen the exponential rise, the exponential growth. Hopefully you guys can do the same. And I know you guys can do the same. So again, like I said, a huge thank you to all of you out there. Can't thank you guys enough. You guys did your part. I did my part for the longest time. And it was eventually rewarded. Now we don't stop here. We keep going. We go onwards and upwards to the next however many. But you guys know what it is. You guys know the deal right now. But of course, like I said, again, thank you. You know, if you've not checked out the early videos, go and check how they started off and, you know, how we switched, you know, compare them to now, you know, how we evolved. Check all that stuff out, because if you guys are on the same journey, especially for those who are new out here, new beginners, and there's a lot of new beginners on this channel, go check those out so you guys understand that, you know, evolving is part of it. You know, making stuff which is a couple minutes, a bit blurry, you know, a bit uncertain is part of it. You know, making stuff which is 5-10 minutes long but really not very informational is part of it. Making stuff which is actually very informational and, you know, people actually understand, people will learn from, and people will actually use to their benefit is all part of it. But you can't get to that part without going through the first stuff. Just like I mentioned on Saturday, you know, it's a journey, and you see success sometimes, you see what people have accomplished, but you don't see the different stages, what they did going along the way. You see the nice videos, you don't see the choppy ones, the poor quality ones, the one with poor lighting, the one where the camera's like this. You don't see all that. But you do see the results, you do see the end part. You might see the good part of the journey. But like I said, either way, it's been great. We keep it up, we make it worth it, we keep going and pushing towards what we want to succeed. So of course, Saturday was the big day, but it doesn't matter. You keep going forward, we keep focusing on the future. You know, that's gone now. It's onwards and upwards to the next 1,000. That's what it is now. Make sure the support doesn't stop now. Keep checking out those links in the description. We've got free cryptocurrency, free stocks, an online guide to business. We've got a lot going on there. Also, please let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I'm open to making all sorts of videos when it comes to money management. You guys know I'm versatile. You guys know I've tried a lot of things. Let me know what you want to see. Again, thank you guys so much. Apart from that, all I can say is keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting, and have a great week. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys tomorrow for the next video. Peace.